Booster hydronic unit. For condominium boiler rooms with low temperature heat pumps. To get more comfort and performance, today you need less. Less complexity. Quick and easy installation. Fully electronic parameter setup thanks to dedicated controller. Optimal management of hot domestic water production by water heater with integrated heat pump. Less noise. The system is connected to a hydronic heat pump, which makes it extremely quiet. Less waste. When producing hot domestic water in summer, the system transfers chilled water to the HVAC system. This way, it reduces the energy demand from the primary circuit and provides outstanding energy savings. Booster hydronic unit. For condominium boiler rooms with low temperature heat pumps. More for less.